good, YouTube? Oh shit, my ring on the wrong hand. This your boy, J Diggy 92, coming at y'all with another episode of Finesse Kicks. Look, it's an unboxing. This shit finna be quick as hell. And look, man, I don't know which package is which, but I kinda got an inkling of which is which. Look, I know it's a lot going on. I'm completely dressed, nigga, like completely. I just came back from my sister's birthday party. Plugged the picture, not plugged the videos. So yeah, I just came back from that. That shit was fun. This shit was lit. And yeah, I wore this fit, and I wore the Alexander Wang Adidas collab. So look, we got unboxing, right? I'm saving this one for last because I think I know what this is. But this big bitch right here, I think I know what this one is too. Both of these are from Stock X. So shout out to the gang at the Stock X thing. We saving these for last because these have a story. Of course, my shoes have a fucking story. What else is fucking new on Finesse Kicks? But yeah, man. Shout out to Stock X. Go ahead and smack that thumbs up and that like button already, fam. I would definitely appreciate it. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. If I'm rushing, it's cause I'm gonna get out these damn clothes and I'm gonna drink this. I'm trying to get fucked up. So yeah. But yeah, man, this is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. This big ass box. Big ass LeBron box. This is my first LeBron in like forever. But it's my first in this model. So we gonna see what it's hitting for. So like I said, if you don't know, Stock X provided this video. Get that out the way, get that out the way, and we gonna be surprised together like always. Hopefully these joints, oh, they peeking, they fire. They fire. Fire. Ooh. Ooh. These bitches look huge. Hey baby, come here. Damn, these jumps thick as hell, boy. Keep turning like that. Thank you. These jumps look thick as hell. Don't these look thick as hell? Thick as fuck. Hello? Who this? LeBron's foot, bitch. These shit's huge. These bitches is huge. Damn. They nice, but they big as fuck. So look, we got the LeBron 16s or whatnot. Hopefully y'all can see me, cause my lighting is a little off. I think I left my camera mode on another setting, and I didn't brighten the thing up. But hopefully y'all can see this. But these are the LeBron 16 King's Crown? I don't know. I think this is what it's called. Man, I don't fucking know. Y'all know y'all get the official review. I done put the shoe back in the thing. I'm ready to end this video so damn quick. But these are fire. I got these for a specific reason. I can't wear them with that specific reason, but I'm not really tripping. But yeah, these are just the LeBron 16s. Official colorway and review and all that good shit will be provided for you all, like always. These bitches look thick though. These some thick ass shoes. You gonna slide that into the frame. Look at that shit. It ain't even want to get in the frame. But look, man, these jumps right here, nigga, you don't know what I went through just to get these. These, I went through so much. From denials to delays to cancellations. I went through hell and high water, but they came on home. They came on home. Thank you, God, they came on home. But y'all can see that's a Jordan 1 box, cuz. Shit. Did y'all see that? Y'all seen it. God damn it. Y'all need small ass bootses. Y'all see it. But oh well. Whatever. I still got them. So fuck it. Y'all might have not seen them. Which then again, you probably did. But look, man, I finally got them. Jordan 1s. I know everybody done made this video already, but I don't care. I'm the God, and I'm still gonna make the damn video. But look, man, we finally got them, man. Fuck these laces, nigga. I just want to shoot. Man, it ain't nothing like a fresh pair of Jordan 1s, man. Fresh out the box, man. They smell so good, man. These on fire. Y'all don't understand how bad I wanted these shoes. I haven't done top, like what I'm looking forward to, like a heat check or whatever, like I should have. But I wanted these so bad. Now that I have them, the materials don't feel that great. Like in pictures, they look fire. And like in hand, they look fire. They look like the leather, like crinkly as fuck. It looked like it would be soft, but it's actually not. Shit kind of stiff. I ain't tripping. Never mind. Toe box. Never mind. This shit fire. Shit fire. Either way, I got this shoe and I'm gonna wear it. So regardless, hello. Who this? Walk this walk. But yeah, I got the turbo green ones, man. I've seen a few reviews on these, but for the most part, don't nobody really fuck with these. But we'll talk more about that in the full review, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. Double unboxing for the win. Shout out to my sister. It's her birthday today. Shouts out to her. Shout out to, fuck it, I know it don't go right here, but shout out to the art page for That's Got Masterpieces. Doing that Black History Challenge. I'm damn near about to fuck up and miss a day because I did not draw today. Because the picture I wanted to draw did not go on my fucking Apple Watch for shit. And so I can't have my phone out at work, and that's how I draw. But y'all don't care, go cop some dope art. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button though, and subscribe so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. I already know the best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. Hashtag God motherfucking mode, nigga. OGs know about hashtag God mode. But when you talking about flip mode, when you talking about sicko mode, sicko mode is the greatest? I thought you said sicko mode. Somebody said Jussie Smollett about to be dicko mode. But yeah. But yeah, man. Shouts out to the God Squad. You wanna follow me on anything, you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that, JDiggy92. I know this one might be a little quick, but I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. Yeah, actually like try this shit on. Shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming. We got some vids coming soon, so don't worry. And yeah, so like I was saying before I was really cut off, I gotta get y'all up out of here. My camera memory card is kind of gone. It's just because I'm backed up on videos, so I gotta get these bitches out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Full reviews will be coming out on both these shoes, so don't worry. It might take a while, nigga, but they gonna be out. You don't know when, but they will be out. But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.